Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn how we can edit posts on WordPress. So let's start. To edit post, first you need to click on Posts. After that click on All Posts. After that you will get the All Posts that you have been published before. To edit the post, drag the cursor, hover on the post. Few options get displayed below the post name. So as you can see, there are two ways to edit the post. First is edit and second is quick edit. So first let's click on edit. Now here you can edit or change the content or title of the post as per your needs. And then click on update button once your editing will be finished. Now let's go back. And see what the quick edit option do. Click on quick edit option. Here you can edit the title, slug, and date of the posts, and can also select the categories for your post. And then click on update button to confirm post edits. So in quick edit option, you can't edit the content of your post. So this is how you can edit the posts on WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.